Hey guys, PCTV here, SCC on your YouTube channel. Over here at the open house at Cambra's, and we're doing a little backdoor walkthrough here. So we're gonna walk around the back side of the shop and see what kind of stuff they've got rolling through here. And there's always something interesting to see, so let's do it. Here's a Tri-5 full custom. See this one built here. Some of the work that's being popped out. Got Adam and Ron and my good buddy Dave's running the parts counter now at Reid's. Let's see what else we got over here. Got a gasser. Got some gasser here. Looking pretty sweet. Ron's got a lot of work in the shop right now. Of course, I was doing this one for Dano Live. This is really nice 55 double decker gasser. Hey Adam, how you doing?
Good, buddy.
Enjoying the open house. Thanks for having us.
Hey, welcome anytime.
Really do appreciate it. I'm just doing a back walk through right now, just kind of showing everybody around, and you know.
Get ready to crackle the cars out front.
Yeah, hopefully so. What do you think? 5-10 minutes?
Yeah, probably 20.
Okay, cool. I figure that's why I get the back shot here.
Prepping them right now.
Okay, good man. Really a lot of fun.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, man. All right, so let's keep walking. We got all the Dan friends here. Good old Tradesman 100, one of my favorites. This is old school right here too. This one's really a time machine. I love it. How you doing?
My van.
I love it. Just it takes me back. You know, you pull up to the, you pull up to go on a date, right? And the parents will be like, "Yeah, you're not going anywhere."
I bought this thing new in '77, so I got a lot of memories in there.
I looked at it and I go, this van has that really nice OG feel to it. It really, it's got that feeling like, yeah, this is the way it's always been. It's just the paneling and everything. So yeah, love it. Thanks. All right, guys, rolling through.
Well, next week is Long Beach. Are you going to be up there?
We got the Shag Monster. Looking good. So this is just some of the stuff you see at the open house today here. And it's really a great day. I mean, they brought in all kinds of great food. Just things are running. Here on PCTV, look at that, lit up. You know, why not? Let's fire up. So that's what's just sitting around here. You know, or a nice gasser. I saw the picture. Let's check this out. Yeah, it's just like, now we got this beautiful gasser right here. Chevy looks like a, I don't know, 37, 38. Beautiful car. We got stuff up on the lifts. We got cars in the back corners. Everywhere you look, there's iron in this shop. And everywhere you look, there's stuff to make iron in this shop. See the vet's still here. That's been, oh no, that's a new vet. That's a different vet. All right, yeah. Nova's pretty sick. So let's walk back in this way. And this is just coming through the main center part. You can see we got a 56 Bellers in here. Beautiful Dodge pickup. Don't know my vintage on the Dodge pickup, so don't hold me guys to it, because I'm not sure. But this 5.6 is really beautiful. Look at the work in this thing. Amazing. Look at the seats. Everything done just top notch. Alright, keep cruising through. Oh, we got a Falcon? Looks like? No, it's a Comet. Look at this setup. Nice. Wow. I'm guessing that's a Coyote. It's got a 404 was a Comet. Again, you guys, sorry about that. It is a Comet. Oh, actually, it's a Comet. I believe it's like a 65, maybe. Could be. All right. Whoops. Do a little too fast to swivel there. Another nice build here. Smoking bitchin'. Everybody's working hard. Great hosts. Beautiful stuff here, man. You just everywhere you look, there's something fun. There's Adam again. What's up, buddy? Sorry, I cut you off at the head there. I'm on the car angle. All right, here's a good end of the tailing shot of the 56. Here's this Dodge. Oh, it's got a beautiful trunk in the back. It's literally got a trunk in it. Look at this trunk, you guys. This is a beautiful trunk. Wow. Hey, what's up, sweetheart? How you doing? My shooting partner, Kinsey. Hi. Oh, there she is. Hello. How are you? Good. Just having fun walking around the shop. Checking out some of the stuff here at Cambra's and Ron's. How do you like this 56? Not bad? You like it or no? You like it all. I like this comment. I don't even like Fords that much. This is cool too. So now I'm walking over here to Reid's now. But yeah, this is the shop, you guys. And then my buddy Dave's working here. I believe David's running the parts counter these days. So Reid's Hot Rods Parts is here, and we've got look, we got the sale table. Asian plastic crap. Look at that.
I hear my friends out here.
Remember that stuff? I was one of the very first distributors and dealers of that stuff for Brian when he first brought it out on the market. So just to see the stuff, just to see a box of APC just cracks me up. Hey, I still have a sticker somewhere too. So this is the inside of Reid's. Now, if you notice, this is a true hot rod shop because look what they've got. They got metal finishing discs. This is where I come. So we got more parts. Oh, look at this little Honda Trail 50 over here. Is it a 90? Look at this. All kinds of neat stuff in here, you guys. There's just cool stuff everywhere. Look at that. All right, you can buy apparel. Oh, sorry, sweetheart. Buy apparel. I bumped right in. Oops. I stepped right on her. And yeah, all kinds of great stuff. You got Parts House. All kinds of stuff here, man. Tons of merchandise. What do you need? Valve cover, timing cover, harmonic balancer, air cleaners. It's all right here. So yeah, this is just the inside of Reid's Hot Rods. You can see it's a great place, man. Really cool. Love it. You know, wheels. Yeah, even Kelsey Hayes style. A little bit of everything in here. Transverse leaves, leaf front ends. What do you need, man? Fittings. You got Flaming River here. Column accessories. Dude, on and on and on. Look at that. A nice little roadster sitting up here. There's that backside where I was earlier. There's a flathead sitting here. Ford flathead. All right, shocks, you know, a little bit of everything. Too bad about Elbrock closing. Even got tube stock, you know, even got 4-link bars. What do you want, man? Oh, dude, I bet you they got 4-link hangers here. You know what? Oh, I need some hangers. Dude, they got them right here. Look at this, you guys. Okay, this is stuff I need right now. I'm gonna go ahead and 4-link the back of my 71. I got everything I need right here. This is great. This is awesome. Okay, cool. I didn't even realize everything. Yep, there we go. There's my brackets up there. That's awesome. There we go. There's my front pivot brackets. I have one, so I need another. That's great. So all the parts that I'm missing, I'm only missing a few pieces. So I'm gonna 4-link the back of my 71 and probably go with like a QA1 shock setup with that 12-bolt rear. So yeah, it's a lot of stuff in here, guys. So we just cruise out. Take a little cruise out.
Yeah, we got some.
Phillips everywhere.
Oh, it's great.
Oh, okay.
Well, that's nice.
Well, here's our host. Hello, sir.
Hey, Patrick, what's happening, brother?
Hey, thanks for having me over, man.
Hey, man,
Just
absolutely.
did a full walking tour of the shop.
Pretty cool.
So yeah, it looks great. Everything, man. You have a lot of great stuff.
Thank you for coming down.
Yeah, I do appreciate
We're having
it.
fun. Hopefully trying to bring it back a little bit.
Yeah,
I've been holding
yeah.
off and wanted to do this for a while, but I thought it was a perfect time now to do it. We'll just start opening in Orange County anyway, so.
Well, you look good, man, too. You look,
Thank you.
dude, you look like it. It's amazing how you.
Clear, lost some weight, get my energy back.
Good.
You look good too, man. You feel better?
No more diabetes. It's gone. 100% gone. Yeah, losing.
Eating better, I guess, huh?
Yeah, well, that 80, 90 pounds makes a difference.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
Yeah. So good for you. And likewise, man. I'm so glad to see you. So yeah, and you got Dave here. You got so many. You got Adam. You got all these guys here now. We got Custom Mike here. You know, what's up, brother? How you doing?
Nothing better than that.
Yeah, nothing better than that. And Tony.
Now it's better.
Now we see. So we got everybody inside Reid's. We got the whole crew. And so I think, you know what? I'm going to end it right here. Chill Attack Cackle Fest, you guys.
Oh yeah, let's do it.